incredible. Another knight in platinum armor. Tonight we're gonna draw the Unova region's brave knight, excavier. A bug and steel type and the evolved form of Carablast. Both excavier and Carablast have this. Well, actually, both Shelmet and Carablast have this special late trade evolution that allows them to. That causes them to evolve. Both Carablast and Shelmet have a sudden bond. When you trade the both of them, they transform into Axelgor and Carablast. I've had my eyes and brains set on drawing this lance-wielding warrior. There. There. Alexa, what is a lens?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Gutenberg.org, a lens is a transmissive optical device that affects the focus of a light beam through refraction.
Wow. Okay, that is excavier. Alexa, what is an Excalibur?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, the Excalibur is a legendary sword according to the British legends of medieval King Arthur.
And finished. That's how you draw Excalibur. The knight rides again. Now that the mission is complete, may this be a special request for all of you. Always let the wind guide you. And better ride on that chariot because the mighty horse never stops running. That's what I meant to say. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. And have a great summer.